To start a new file in the OpenShot video editing software. First, you want to launch the OpenShot video editor. The basic work area is now launched. To start a new project, you're going to go to the series of icons that are in the top left-hand corner, and you're going to click the first one, which looks like a piece of paper with a green plus sign. That should clear out your timeline at the bottom. It should clear out your project files, and you can now begin editing a new file by importing files into your project area. It's a good practice in all video editing software to have a working folder that's your project folder. Usually you want to have that on your computer's hard drive, not on a volume like a USB drive. And you want to put all assets in that folder before importing them into the video editing software OpenShot. So let's look at that folder. I have it on the desktop, and it's called OpenShot Project. So if I double click that to open it. So in this project, I have music files, so MP3 files that I'm using. I have video files, so any video files that you're using that you've made through data binding. When you make those data binding files, if you're using Photomosh, use the .webm file format. If you use the GIF format, like I told you in class, you'll have to convert those files to another file format, for example, .mp4, before they'll import into OpenShot. When you make your digital data bent files, or you make your audio or find your audio, put them in this project folder first, then go to OpenShot, and to import a file into OpenShot, again, in the top left-hand corner of the work area, there's a series of icons. Go to the icon that is the green plus sign and click it. That will open up a dialog box which will let you navigate to your project folder. My project folder is on the desktop, and it's called OpenShot Project. And so, for example, to import this MP3 file, I could click it and hit open. And in my project file area, which is in the top left-hand corner, right under that series of icons that we were talking about, you'll see the audio file. To import another file, go back to the plus sign, go back to the folder that's your project folder where you have your assets, and I'll import this video file. Open the video file. Again, it appears in the project files work area. So that's basically how to get started with OpenShot. That's all for this video tutorial. I'll be making a series of tutorials on various different functions on OpenShot.